شهیدانو کور دا د باتورانو کور دا د باتورانو کور دا د باتورانو کور دا د باتورانو کور ساتوي پسرو وینو دا د شهیدانو کور دا
Good evening. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd, 2024. I'm Suleiman Talash and you are watching RTA News. Maulavi Abdul Salam Hanafi, the administrative deputy of the Prime Minister, visited Samarkand province in Uzbekistan and met with Governor Hadis Muzaffarogli Babayov. The governor urged the expansion of relations between Afghanistan and Uzbekistan, while Mr. Hanafi emphasized their shared historical and cultural ties. He also visited notable historical sites, including the tomb of Imam Bukhari. Maulavi Nur Jalal Jalali, the Minister of Public Health, has journeyed to China to participate in the international conference focused on enhancing bilateral cooperation in the health sector. This important event aims to foster collaboration among countries and improve health outcomes. Mr. Jalali will meet with health officials during the conference to discuss standardizing Afghanistan's health system and seeking international support. His participation demonstrates Afghanistan's commitment to improving healthcare and services for its citizens. Updates on the conference outcomes will be provided as available. The Deputy Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock met with his Iranian counterpart during a visit to discuss exchanging agricultural experiences, advanced irrigation technology, and capacity building. The Afghanistan Chamber of Livestock and Agricultural Products noted that Iran's expertise could help mechanize Afghanistan's agricultural sector. Let's see more in the report.
The Deputy Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock, Maulavi Sadrazam Usmani, led a delegation on an official visit to Iran yesterday. During the visit, he met with the Deputy Minister of Agriculture of Iran to discuss sharing agricultural experiences, utilizing advanced technologies for irrigation, and strengthening economic relations between the two countries.
This visit was conducted for further coordination between the Ministry of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock of Afghanistan and the Ministry of Agriculture and Jihad of the Islamic Republic of Iran. During this visit, the Deputy Minister of Agriculture and Livestock of the Ministry and the joint delegation will introduce the opportunities available in the agriculture and livestock sector of Afghanistan to Iranian investors and provide them with the necessary assurance for investment.
Additionally, the Afghanistan Chamber of Livestock and Irrigation Products states that Iran has valuable experience in agriculture and livestock, and they can leverage this expertise in various areas of the agricultural sector.
We can benefit from their good advice. Our farmers should learn from them because our agriculture is traditional. Afghanistan's agriculture should be transformed into an industry because in the current condition, the industry is very advanced.
Analysts believe that advanced technologies are essential to mechanize the country's agricultural system and can learn from the experiences of the region and neighboring countries.
Iran is one of the countries that has made remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, from their experiences and technical teams, as well as from improved seeds, agricultural pesticides, and other areas. If Iran helps Afghanistan, a major transformation will occur in the agricultural system of Afghanistan.
A delegation led by Deputy Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock, Maulavi Sadrazam Usmani, has traveled to Iran at an invitation of the Islamic Republic of Iran. The purpose of this visit is to explore the country's capacities, capabilities and technologies related to the water and soil projects, particularly advanced irrigation methods.
Sheikh Shahabuddin Dilawar, the head of the Afghan Red Crescent Society, conducted a visit to the Central Hospital of the Islamic Foundation of Bangladesh. The purpose of the visit was to observe the medical staff providing treatment to patients with cleft lip and palate. During his visit, Mr. Dilawar expressed his sincere gratitude to the Islamic Foundation of Bangladesh for their vital assistance in treating Afghan patients. He emphasized the importance of this collaboration stating that it is both useful and effective in providing medical care to impoverished Afghans. The United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization has decisively extended its assistance to Afghanistan through 2026, building on its humanitarian efforts that commenced in 2022. The Deputy Minister of Economy strongly supports this ongoing aid, asserting that the resources must be effectively allocated to boost development and enhance infrastructure in the country. We have more in the report.
The UN Food and Agriculture Organization announced the aid starting in 2022 will continue until 2026, benefiting over 200,000 families in 8 provinces of Afghanistan.
This aid will be provided to support individuals in Parwan, Badaghis, Jawizjan, Nimroz, Paktika, Nuristan, Badakhshan and Bamiyan provinces. Poultry and beekeeping packages will also be provided to these families to generate income from selling honey and eggs in local markets.
The Deputy Minister of Economy supported the continuation of food organization aid, stating that the aid should increase in both quality and quantity, focusing more on the Ministry of Construction's development sectors.
تقاضای ما از جامعه بین‌المللی و نهادهای امدادی است که
And our demand from the international community and donor institutions is that it should be increased in terms of quantity and quality. And this aid should also be taken into account in infrastructure and development dimensions.
The spokesman for the Ministry of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock said that the ministry has aimed to assist farmers and livestock with technical training, equipment, distribution, financial support, and marketing.
We created a systematic plan for the farmers and started working for them according to it, prepared the land for work, provided them with the physical and technical assistance, and provided them with training camps.
However, experts state that this assistance can increase farmers' awareness, lead to family economic growth, and enhance employment opportunities.
These families will be busy working in the poultry and beekeeping sectors, and their products such as egg production and honey production, which will on the one hand raise the level of awareness of farmers and increase employment for farmers, and on the other hand increase the income of families and, in general, contribute to the economic growth of the country.
International organizations and aid agencies have worked to improve agriculture and farmers' livelihoods in Afghanistan while also addressing the impacts of crisis and climate change.
The National Disaster Management Authority and the Asian International Institute of Social Services have signed a cooperation agreement. In the meeting, while signing the agreement, the General Director of the Natural Disaster Management Authority asked all the aid organizations to strengthen their collaboration with the people of Afghanistan. The Kabul Municipality Health and Environmental Protection Department has decisively collected and destroyed 25 tons of expired and substandard food and hygiene products from the city. Officials assert that the municipality is fully committed to protecting the health of its citizens by actively eliminating the sale of substandard products in Kabul. The Minister of Education has initiated the construction of a madrasa in 9 schools with a total value of 80 million Afghanis in Paktika province. This initiative aims to improve access to quality education and is guided by the leadership of the Islamic Emirate. The new schools will enhance educational opportunities in the districts of Awzikhwa, Ormai, Troy, Barmal, and Shekin, contributing to the overall development of the region. It reflects a commitment to expanding and strengthening educational centers for the betterment of local communities. In a series of tactical operations, the Orazgan Provincial Police Force successfully identified and confiscated a cache of weapons and ammunition in the Gizab district. According to the spokesperson for the Ministry of Interior Affairs, the seized armaments consist of 4 AKM assault rifles, 1 M16 rifle, 1 M1 rocket, 1 PK machine gun, 3 pairs of binoculars, and a substantial quantity of ammunition. And the final one is that 18 individuals have been arrested in Kabul province for their active involvement in the sale and use of drugs. The Deputy Minister for Counter-Narcotics at the Ministry of Interior Affairs confirmed that these arrests were arrested by the Anti-Narcotics Management Forces of Kabul province. Furthermore, a substantial quantity of hashish, alcohol, and drug tablets were seized from the detainees. That's all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Stay with us to stay updated. Have a good night.
شهیدانو کور دا د باتورانو کور دا د باتورانو کور دا د باتورانو کور دا د باتورانو کور ساتوي پسرو وینو دا د شهیدانو کور دا